To change its lighting transparency of the brief notification pop-up on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap notification pop-up style. If you have set it to brief, you can change its lighting transparency level of the pop-up. To do so, tap its lighting style, tap advanced tab, and then slide the adjustment bar below transparency to the right to get more transparent lighting, or slide it to the left to get more solid lighting, as you can see in the preview. To save the change, tap done button. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.